Ever read a newspaper and thought, I have something to say about this? Well, that's exactly what the Letters to the Editor section is for. It's one of the most powerful ways for everyday readers to voice their opinions, influence public debate, and even hold the powerful accountable. But here's the catch: writing an effective letter isn't just about ranting. There's a strategy to make sure your letter gets published and read by thousands. In this video, we'll break down why letters to the editor matter, how to write one that stands out, and some pro tips to increase your chances of getting published. Let's dive in. Section 1: Why letters to the editor are important. First, why should you care? Here's the thing: letters to the editor are more than just reader feedback. They're a democratic tool that shapes opinions and even policies. 1. Public influence. A well-written letter can sway public opinion, challenge misinformation, or support a cause you believe in. 2. Media accountability. Journalists and editors read these letters, they help newspapers understand what matters to their readers. 3. Accessibility. Unlike writing an op-ed, you don't need to be an expert. Anyone with a strong, concise argument can contribute. Section 2: How to write a letter to the editor. Now, how do you write a letter that actually gets published? Follow these steps. 1. Be timely and relevant. Respond to a recent article or ongoing debate. Newspapers prioritize current issues. 2. Keep it short and sharp. Most papers have a 150 to 300 word limit. Get straight to the point. 3. Start strong. Your opening line should grab attention. State your stance clearly. 4. Back it up. Use facts, personal experiences, or logical arguments, no vague rants. 5. Stay respectful. Even if you disagree, professionalism increases credibility. 6. Include your details. Most papers require your name, contact info, and sometimes a short bio. Section 3: Pro tips to get published. Want to boost your chances? Here are some insider tips. Unique perspective: bring a fresh angle, not just repetition. Local connection: local papers love letters from community members. Follow guidelines: check the newspaper's word limit and submission rules. Persistence pays: if rejected, refine and resubmit. Letters to the editor are your direct line to shaping conversations in your community and beyond. So next time you read something that sparks a reaction, write that letter. Have you ever written one? Did it get published? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on media literacy and effective writing. See you in the next video.